Is your Technika dishwasher not draining properly? This is actually a very common issue, especially in models manufactured between 2018 and 2022 due to specific design limitations in their pump assemblies. Before starting any diagnosis, safety is paramount. You must disconnect the power supply and turn off the water supply valve. This prevents electrical hazards and water damage during inspection. Now let's identify the symptoms. There are 4 main indicators of drainage problems: standing water remaining in the bottom, slow drainage that takes excessive time, gurgling sounds indicating partial blockage, and error codes like E4, E5, or F4 on modern Technika models. Begin your initial assessment by checking for visible standing water and inspecting for food debris or foreign objects. A foul odor could indicate bacterial buildup, which is another important diagnostic clue. The most common causes of drainage problems fall into 3 main categories: blockages in the filter system, issues with the drain hose, and malfunctioning drain pumps. Understanding these components is key to effective diagnosis. According to industry experts with over 20 years of experience, approximately 70% of Technika drainage issues can be resolved through proper filter maintenance and hose cleaning. This means most problems are actually quite manageable with the right diagnostic approach. Now that you understand how to diagnose the problem and identify the most likely causes, you're ready to move on to the actual troubleshooting and repair steps in the next section. Now we'll walk through the systematic repair steps to fix your Technika dishwasher drainage problem. We'll start with the most common issues and work our way to more complex repairs. Step 1. Clean and inspect the filter system. The cylindrical filter at the bottom of your dishwasher is the first line of defense against clogs and is often the source of drainage problems. Locate the cylindrical filter at the bottom center of your dishwasher. Turn it counterclockwise about a quarter turn to remove it. Be prepared for some water to spill out. Rinse the filter thoroughly under hot water using a soft brush to remove stubborn debris. Inspect it carefully for any cracks or damage that would require replacement. Step 2. Examine the drain hose. This flexible tube carries wastewater from your dishwasher to the household drainage system and is a common location for blockages. Check that the drain hose maintains a proper loop height of at least 20 inches. This prevents backflow from your sink or garbage disposal into the dishwasher. If you find blockages, disconnect the hose and use a plumber's snake or high-pressure water to flush out debris. Grease buildup and food particles are common culprits. Step 3. Troubleshoot the drain pump. If cleaning the filter and hose doesn't solve the problem, the issue likely lies with the pump system itself. First, disconnect power to the dishwasher for safety. Remove the bottom panel to access the pump assembly, typically located at the front left of the unit. Check electrical connections for corrosion or looseness. Manually rotate the pump impeller to check for obstructions like debris or foreign objects wrapped around the blades. If the pump motor isn't working, use a multimeter to test continuity and voltage supply. The motor should receive 120 volts AC when the drain cycle activates. Important safety note: if you're uncomfortable working with electrical components, or if these steps don't resolve the drainage issue, it's time to call a professional appliance repair technician. Remember, proper maintenance can prevent most drainage issues. Clean your filter monthly, scrape dishes before loading, and run hot water at your kitchen sink before starting the dishwasher to ensure optimal performance.